Hello guys, today in this video no unboxing is there, but we will talk about a newly launched gadget which is Apple AirPods Pro. So let's begin this video.
Whenever your heart is broken, don't ever forget you're golden. I will find the light in your soul, I'll be
Your attention, I'd like to make sure that your seatbelts are fastened.
never leaving you in the darkness. Even when you're out of focus, I will be the light in your life, you'll see it clear. I'll be your inspiration, 'cause I know that your touch is
First we will talk about some features of this AirPods and its price. So as we all know, in India, Apple launches the AirPods Pro with a price of rupees 24,900, and we will talk about some key features of this AirPods Pro. So the new AirPods Pro come with a new design and some top-notch features. The in-ear AirPods Pro is lightweight and comes bundled with 3 different sizes of soft, flexible silicone ear tips. Apple says that the silicone ear tips provide a comfortable fit and are capable of delivering an immersive sound experience to the users. The AirPods Pro is sweat and water resistant. One of the key features of the new AirPods Pro is its active noise cancellation. Apple says the AirPods Pro uses 2 microphones combined with advanced software to continuously adapt to each individual ear and headphone fit. The company explains that the first microphone is outward facing and detects external sound and analyzes environmental noise. It then creates an equivalent anti-noise that cancels out background noise before it reaches the ear. The second microphone is inward facing and cancels the remaining noise. Apple claims that noise cancellation continuously adapts the sound signal 200 times per second. The active noise cancellation feature helps remove background noise and provide a uniquely customized superior noise cancelling experience to the users, says Apple. The AirPods Pro come with transparency mode that provides users with the opinion to simultaneously listen to music while still hearing the environment around them. This feature helps users while they are on the run or driving or stuck in traffic. Apple also allows users to switch between active noise cancellation and transparency modes. Users can switch between the two modes with the help of the force sensor feature. The force sensor feature also make it easy for the users to play music, pause or skip tracks, pick calls and so on. Apple AirPods Pro come with adaptive EQ that automatically tunes the low and mid frequencies of the music. Adaptive EQ allows AirPods Pro to offer superior sound quality on the hardware front. The Apple AirPods Pro includes H1 chip that enables real-time noise cancellation and delivers high-quality sound using adaptive technology. The H1 chip also allows the AirPods Pro users to respond to hands-free Say Siri request. Apple claims that AirPods Pro is capable of delivering up to 4.5 hours of listening time and up to 3.5 hours of talk time on a single charge. Through additional charges from the wireless charger case, AirPods Pro deliver over 24 hours of listening time or over 18 hours of talk time, says Apple. AirPods Pro also come with some features like ear fit test, voice activated Siri, audio sharing, among others. So that's all for this AirPods Pro. I hope you like this video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.